It took this much duct tape to get our Banks ram air intake to flow as bad as S&B. You got to see this test to believe it.
Welcome to the Banks Flow Bench. Today we're going to be running a test together that's going to be very illustrative of the difference between the restriction of the S&B air intake system for the 19 to 24 Ram with the 6.7 Cummins installed and the Banks ram air intake system. So what are we going to do? We're going to flow this at 56.5 pounds per minute, which matches the peak MAF reading on your truck. This is your compressor inlet pressure, or the pressure of the air entering the mouth of your turbocharger. So that's going to tell us the difference or the restriction between the ambient air and the air once it's gotten down into your turbo. That's going to show on this Banks iDash Pro right here. This is like your golf score. Higher is worse, lower is better. And then we're going to start choking off the Banks big ass filter, adding restriction until we match the restriction of the S&B. Let's get started. .5 inches of water. So I'm going to note that down. That's the Banks ram air intake system installed. This is exactly as it comes out of the box, unaltered. We're going to see how this flows completely unchanged stock, and then we're going to start adding restriction. Okay. 10.2 inches of water. We got some work to do. We need to start choking this thing down significantly. This guy off of here. And now I'm gonna start applying our high-tech restriction enhancer. Let's get started. Is that enough? Not even close. That is a lot of duct tape. About 1.25 inches of filter media remaining exposed. Looking for 20.5 inches of water. See how we did. Wow, we got it. That's as good as that's getting. So we just saw that together. This is how much tape we had to apply to the Banks big ass filter, choke it down enough to match the flow of the S&B. Let me restate that. This flows the same as this.
Watch the full video on our Banks Power YouTube channel.